Hello,
Teacher.
teacher.
Today we are going to have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes,
What's your name?
My name is June.
What about you?
my name is Simon.
Okay, Simon, do you like taking photos at important moments in your life?
Yes, I like taking photo at important moment in my life.
What about John?
Yes, I take a photo at a important moment in my
Life.
life.
Simon, what do you want to be when you grow up?
When I grow up, I get a job and get married.
What about John?
When grow up, I get a job and go to university.
Okay, Simon, would you like to go to the university?
Yes, I like.
What about John? Would you
Yes,
like to go?
yes, I know.
Next question number 4. Simon, what are you planning to do after you leave school?
After leave school, I get a job and leave home.
Okay, John, what are you planning to do after you leave school?
Mm,
After I leave school,
After I leave school, I
I'm planning to.
I planning to play football with my friend and
Okay, next number 5. Simon, what are you and your friends going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I and my friend go shopping and play football.
What about John?
this weekend I play football and play combination with my friend.
Okay, last question. Where are you going this afternoon, Simon?
This afternoon, I play football and study piano.
What about John? Where are you going this afternoon?
This afternoon when I I play football and play computer game.
All right, so part of our speaking test is a conversation. So this is for you, student A and student B. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Simon.
What type of competition?
Mm, the they
It's writing competition.
writing combination.
How
Do you
how do you enter?
Mm, so
how do you enter? Can you put it down? I wanna
mm,
know.
they were to out and tell out about yoga from your banana say where you are going and why.
What will you win?
Mm, uh, my my your
If you win
if you win where will we me in 500
500 pounds.
500 go to step on you got you.
Where are your email address?
My got your dot competition
.com.
com.
Is it?
It is for all young people.
Um, um,
It's for over 16.
mm, it over 16.
Okay, next. Okay, John, you can start. Is the school trip for
Mm, is the full team of our children.
Simon? Is the school trip for all students? It's for
Is
over.
for over 16 years old.
Where
Where will they go?
where will they go?
We did Greenshire University and met some university students.
When
When is it?
When he eat?
Monday.
Monday, April 20.
What?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
15.
15 pounds.
What time?
What time they need?
Leave school at 8 a.m. Return at 7 p.m.
Alright, that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
teacher.